All right, first grade, I am back for video number 2, and we're going to jump right into finishing up our Word Work Wednesday. I hope you've enjoyed it. So I'm going to show you 4 words. I just want you to practice reading them. They have to do with the word work that we did today. Go ahead, let's shout these out. Slate, good. Treat, good. Heat, good. Gate, good. That's a good little warm-up. So here's what I want you to do. Erase your board. I think I told you that in the last video. And I want you to draw a T-chart. Easy peasy, right? We've done this before. On one side, I want you to write eat. And on the other side, I want you to write ate. We're going to do some word sorting. And you're probably like, Mrs. Arbini, why do we word sort? Because it's pretty easy. Because I want your eyes to pay attention to the patterns in words. These word patterns are very similar. E-A-T, A-T-E. Kids get them mixed up all the time. And so when we do word sorts, it really forces us to pay attention to the patterns in words. So that, my friends, is why you do word sorts. So go ahead and pause the video and get this T-graph set up and then come back to me. All right, so these are several of the words we worked on today. What I would like you to do is pause the video in just a moment so that this screen stays up for you. And I want you to sort these words into these 2 columns, eat and ate. Very sorry if you can hear my child right now. He's having a moment upstairs. So what I want you to do is pause the video on the screen and I want you to sort the words into eat and into ate and then come back here. Okay, so come on back. And I hope that you were able to really pay close attention to the word patterns, the patterns in these words as you sorted them. Let's read these words one more time together, and then that'll be all of your work for today. So on this side for eat, you can actually just use your marker to give a check mark if it's a word that you put on that side. And if it isn't, if you made a mistake, just move it to the other side. It's okay. All right, eat, pleat, peat, neat, meat, heat, ate, mate, nate, late, hate, plate, plates, slate. Boys and girls, this concludes, I accidentally hit pause. This concludes the very first official Word Work Wednesday. Your teachers will let me know what I need to fix to make it better for next week. I hope you guys enjoyed it, but I will see you on Friday for a regular phonics day. Have a great afternoon.